Malika Russell. Today we're going to be talking about the Star Styler flat iron. This is a flat iron that comes with combs. I detached the combs because I want to use them with and without the combs. So we're going to do a little tutorial using these flat irons that I received from Star Styler. And if you want to see how they work, how hot they get, and the technique that I use to get my hair this straight, you know what to do, queens. Stay tuned. Okay, now I'm going to use it without the comb. This flat iron is thebomb.com. It gets super hot. It goes up to 450 degrees and it goes down to 300 degrees. I like using it without the combs. They are detachable, so you can put the combs on or you can use them off. I like to use them off preferably. But this is a really good flat iron. A Star Styler. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say regarding these flat irons. I really like them. I'm going to be using them a lot. I'm probably going to replace these. I'm probably going to replace my old one with this one. But I really like it. It gets the hair silky smooth and soft. It's a really good flat iron. I feel like you should go out and buy it if you liked this tutorial using it. But yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. Gets the hair super straight. Super straight.